2 of our 30 days to a deal uh, campaign here. Let's take a look. We're going to review our campaign. We review the campaign every day, make changes, edits, and sometimes even just turn them off if we have to. Okay, so here's our active campaign. So it's been out for 1 day, just shy of, a couple hours shy of a day. So we've spent $23 so far. We've reached 802 people, and we see the frequency is 1.22, which means about 22% of the people have seen the ads twice. It's a little high already, but we'll dig into it a little bit more. Another metric we like to look at is the click-through rate all. All right, we want that to be more than about 3%. If it's less than about 3%, I'll kill an ad set. Okay, and we've had 11 link clicks. Not so bad. So let's dig in a little deeper and see where we're at. So here are our ad sets. Are there any ad sets that are doing better or worse than another? All right. So this here, the no interest evergreen copy. They've put that out a lot. That's going out to 704 so far for the day. Let's see the click-through rate. All right, it's up there high. That's pretty good, and that's pretty good. So these two ad sets right here, all interests, corp images, Facebook didn't really put much out behind it. And the same one here. So we'll let that sit for a little bit longer because it's only been out there a little bit. If we don't get anything by tomorrow, I'd probably turn those ad sets off and focus the energy on these top ones. These actually, so the top, middle, and bottom ones, which are having some good click-through rates. 41 clicks on this, not so bad. So now what we'll do, we'll dig a little bit deeper, okay? I want all of these guys. I'm going to go for the ads. And we're going to break down. I'm going to go by dynamic element. First, I look at images and see, are there images that are relating with people a little bit more? Where am I getting my clicks? Gotta get rid of that. Oops. So the clicks are where people are at least paying attention to my ads here. Okay. This picture over here of a house in Uniondale always gets me lots of clicks. Always. Here's the bat house, right? I'll show you that. These are all bats. It's one of the first houses we bought here in Virginia. And that picture it does okay once in a while. I got one click on that, right? This is just one of a slow flip somewhere. And then this guy here, let's see, this got 6 clicks. All right. This is an I believe it's East St. Louis, Illinois house. All right. This is just like it's got a nice sky in the background. I bet you if we brighten this up, we probably get even more. Sometimes I go in and I brighten them up in Canva or whatever. Okay. So that's not doing so bad. Let's go down here and see. So that's where all of my link clicks are coming from. All right. So we'll let this sit a little bit longer. And what I would likely do is, like, by tomorrow, I will focus all of the energy of this ad campaign into maybe even this single ad group, because this is where the activity is coming from. All right. Even though I'm getting some interest in the other ad groups, this is where the clicks are coming from, and the clicks are what give you money. All right, so here's my click-through rate. Almost 5%, 7%, which is kind of weird because I got more clicks. 4, 4, 4. All right. Well, we'll let it sit a little bit. We are looking for about $30 or so per lead. Since I've got a smaller area, maybe closer to 40, so I'll let this go to about 40 or $50 before I would make any adjustments. And we'll see. Hopefully, we'll get a lead by the end of today. All right, I'll see you soon. Have a great day.